guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Katie Bertrand. Thanks for joining me. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Just wanted to show you a pattern haul that I got this week at Hobby Lobby. Today is June 11th, I think. I hope that's correct. So this week at Hobby Lobby, the Simplicity patterns were $1.99. I try to only buy patterns when they're on sale, except for the occasional one you just see something and you feel like you just gotta have it. But when they are $1.99, I usually buy a stack of them. So this week I decided I was going to buy some beginner sewing patterns for teaching lessons. So I wanted to show you some great patterns that are beginner patterns for just getting started, and then some other craft projects that I got just so that you can practice. And I'm going to be doing some videos with these. Maybe you can let me know which one you'd like to see first. I'm also going to be teaching some classes at my store here in Louisville, Kentucky, as soon as quarantine is kind of over and we can get back to it, and doing some other online classes for teaching purposes. So let's get started and I'll show you what all I got. So when you are first learning to sew, oops, excuse me, you want to start with something easy, doesn't require a fitting. You don't want to jump right into a garment. You absolutely can, but I would suggest doing something that's not very fitted. So aprons are always a good starter project because you don't have to worry. It's pretty simple. It's more or less, cutting out the pattern, finishing your edges, pockets, doing those ties kind of thing. Not a ton of fasteners. You can make the neck piece adjustable if you want to, but you don't necessarily have to. So this is Simplicity 8826. It is a learn to sew pattern. So I would probably start with this if you were really just first thing you've ever done. Don't have to worry about that too much. It is summertime, so I got Simplicity 8651 for a shorts pattern. So this is another good beginner project. A lot of time you do like pajama pants. So this is very similar, but again, has elastic waist. You can add a drawstring if you want. So shorts are good. Doesn't take a lot of fabric as much as pajama pants. So it's kind of in that same along those same lines. So this is Simplicity 8651. Then I did go to a pants and skirt combo. This is Simplicity 8299. It does say easy to sew. But again, this is an elastic waist pant, but what I liked about this pattern is you also have skirt options, a long skirt and a short skirt. So you kind of got the wide leg palazzo pant look, but elastic waist. So in this pattern, you do get a skirt and a pant. So that's pretty cool. But again, easy, you can do this in a cotton or a knit. So this is 82.99. And then I was trying to decide, I wanted to do a skirt pattern. So another Learn to Sew Simplicity pattern. This is 2314. What I do like about this is one pattern for all of your sizes. What does that say? 6 to 18. A lot of the patterns will go, let's see, 6 to 14 and then 16 and up. So there's two different sizes. So this one's nice. You have all your sizes. Now, just depending on if you're wanting to make this for more than one person, you would have to trace out, your size on some tracing paper, pattern paper, and then cut it out if you're wanting to use multiple, because basically once you cut it, you've cut that size. So maybe good or bad. But I do like this. Looks like you get to try some, let's see what this says. This one does require a zipper. So this is one more step above, just doing an elastic waist. So you do get to try putting in the zipper and the hooks and that kind of thing. So this is Simplicity 2314. But then I did get another skirt pattern, and this is Simplicity 2184. Says you can do it in 2 hours. But this one has an elastic waist. So this is really more beginner than putting in a zipper. So maybe try this one first and then move into the 2314 that has a zipper. But again, it's summertime. Skirts are easy just to pull on. I like this, you've got short, different lengths. technically it's all one pattern. You just cut it, you know, the length that you need it. But it is an elastic waist, so I find this to be more of a beginner pattern. Then I got into some craft projects that I thought would be fun. And again, you know, if you're going to cookouts or family dinners, this is Simplicity 1236 craft project. But for some fun casserole carrying things, I really wanted to try this one, the little casserole covers, especially if you're eating outside. You can put these on. I don't know what my problem is. I don't like saran wrap. To me, it never sticks right. I can't get it. Foil works better. But these are just really cute. But then you could cover your dish. That way you're keeping all the bugs and the flies out. But I really like the casserole carrying dish. These would make great gifts. Especially for, you know, a shower gift for a wedding, somebody's just getting their kitchen together, things like that. So these casserole carriers are really nice. So this is Simplicity 1236. Oh, and then these little fabric bowls right here. These can be used for a variety of things, not just food. So I think that's a really fun one. So our next craft project, get a drink of my coffee here. I'm probably going to make this first just for fun. This is Simplicity 2450. Now this is super cute. So you put this around, you see the mug? So you put this around a mug. So you've got things you can put in the mug, but then you're making little pockets for your pens and things to go around your mug. I just think that's really adorable. This again would be another fun gift project. You know, a little birthday gift for somebody. But I just think, you know, trying some other things besides apparel. You don't have to start with clothing. You know, when you sew, there's so many different things you can make. So this is another cute craft project one, Simplicity 2450. Then I wanted to get into some bags because tote bags are really fun, and there's a variety of tote bags that you can make. So this one, I think this might start out a little bit easier. This is Simplicity 1338. Now, I will say I was attracted to this one because I like the sports team's fabrics they've used. So you can really, you know, make that a sports bag for tailgating, but it doesn't have to be. So I think that's just what kind of caught my eye, but I like the outside pockets on it, and, you know, changing, even if you did two different fabrics, you know, you got the different colored straps. This looks like it would be fairly simple to do and a good starter tote bag. And that's Simplicity 1338. The next one is more of this one is a purse. So this is a little bit more advanced. You're going to put a zipper in. This is Simplicity 8310. So again, I thought this would be a great class too. Looks like you can use some quilted fabric. You could even kind of quilt your own fabric. But again, you've got some really cute patterns. You got some outside pockets. You know, they do have a zipper. You've got some shows you various lengths on your handbag straps. You can make this like a lunch tote. So this is Simplicity 8310. The next one is Simplicity 1153. Now, I do like this pattern because you get some cosmetic bag sizes. You know, you've got, where's that round? So this one right here is a round, you know, and then you've got the little Kleenex thing. Again, these are so fun to put together for your friends, and they make great gifts. You could do a whole little set. Your friends would absolutely love this. You would love this. So just make it for yourself, and then once you've made one and you are happy with the outcome, you know, make some more. I mean, these are awesome things to make. You know, start now and start on those Christmas gifts. It's never too early because we get really busy during the holidays, so it's never too early to start working on those Christmas projects. Now this one is for a duffel bag. This is Simplicity 2274. So you could make this, you know, this is obviously very girly fabric, but this would be a great project. Sometimes it's hard to find things that you can make for men, but a travel bag is for anybody. So it's just a matter of the fabric that you choose. So clearly florals is women, but then you've got the little luggage tags, and then this also has a little cosmetic bag. So you could do a whole set. Now this is going to require more fabric. I would probably not use this as a beginner project because you're going to have some zippers. You know, the smaller things, might try those first, or try some of the other tote bags before you get into the duffel bag, because it might, I don't think it would be hard, but it might be a little cumbersome. So I think, again, another great Christmas gift to make for somebody is a cute duffel bag. That's Simplicity 2274. Now, I really like this tote. So this is Simplicity 1387. But I love a big bag. So this could be, you know, a tote bag or a purse. And then you've got the little cosmetic to go with it. But, you know, again, it's going to depend on the fabric that you choose. This looks really classic. I like the neutrals on this. So this could be a bag for work, the gym. You could kind of make it for anything, but it's super stylish. And I really like the shapes that are on this pattern. So that is 1387. And then my last one, prepping for Christmas. Just because it's June, I probably won't start on this, but maybe we'll do a Christmas in July. So this is Simplicity 8828. And this is a little Christmas project. To be perfectly honest, I just think these ornaments are adorable. I just think they're so cute. So they're just little felt, you probably just stuff them, so you probably just do, you could probably even glue on a lot of this stuff, and then just, you're gonna sew the outline and do a little bit of stuffing. And then these are in the little small embroidery hoop ornaments. Then you have a tree skirt and a stocking. So I think this is a super cute set. But I just love Christmas ornaments. I love, you know, when you get them out, it just makes you remember when you got it, or who gave it to you, or how long you've had it, or characters you loved as a child, things like that. So I just think these are super fun. You know, you've got all kinds of cute little forest critter kind of things, and it's fun to make, you know, family stockings. You know, even if you don't use this on the fireplace, you know, stockings can be used for decoration. So you can even make a mini stocking, kind of, you know, get your pattern down. Maybe you have a new baby in the family and you need a new stocking, and then you have this cute tree skirt as well that has the little felt animals on there to coordinate with your ornaments. So I think this is super cute. This is Simplicity 8828. Again, fun little project. I would start early so you're not waiting till November, December and trying to get those ornaments made. So just a little fun craft project. So that is my Hobby Lobby pattern haul for the week. Simplicity patterns were on sale for $1.99. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Let me know which project you'd like to see first, or have a class. We do some classes locally in our store in Louisville, Kentucky, and I'm just trying to put together some beginner classes, and I think these would be some really fun, good ones to just get you started and get you moving on those sewing machines. So I hope you guys have a great day, and thank you so much for joining me. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.